I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that affect auto pause. Check your Android version and the media app version because compatibility matters. Once done, inspect Bluetooth or USB links, disconnect and reconnect each one to force a refresh. Make sure to restart your phone and the car's head unit. Simple reboots clear transient errors. If you use an app with battery optimization, temporarily disable that now so the app won't be background limited while we test playback behavior. Now change the settings that commonly cause auto pause. Disable battery optimization for the media app so the system won't suspend it. This prevents sudden stops. Next, grant background activity or media permissions so playback continues when the screen is off or the app isn't foregrounded. Also adjust audio focus and do not disturb exceptions so the app isn't suppressed by notifications or other apps. Once these are set, test by playing a track while locking the phone and connecting to the car. Complete the fix by clearing the app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app when settings changes don't help. That removes corrupted data. If it still pauses, test another media app or a different phone to determine whether the phone, the app, or the car head unit is at fault. Finally, as a last step, reset network settings or check system logs if you can, because persistent issues often reveal themselves there. Quick tip: if the problem returns, record steps you took to reproduce it for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.